lot of states. So yeah, we're still in LA. Then we go to Alabama. Then we go to Georgia. Then we go to Georgia. And then I don't really know. And then we go to Florida. It's only 4 hours. So yeah, let's go, guys. I'm so excited. But yeah, we got everything packed. So packed in here. All that stuff. It's all packed. Yeah. Got all my stuff in here. I have a suitcase. So yeah. I'm seeing what's in here. Got a hat. I'll put this hat on. Oh, the sky is falling down. Oh, look at that. It's a Seahawk. I have a lot of stuff in here, but fidget spinners. Wait. Well, it looks so weird in the camera. Watch this. I'll show you all the. I got camera. So, cameras in here. I don't have a lot of stuff in here, by the way. So I'll be back when we get to Alabama. We're in the beach. Well, no, we're not in the beach. We're in Mississippi right now. I think we're going to Atlanta. No, we're going to Alabama next. Hey, Dad. Are we going to Alabama next? And then what? Oh, yeah. So we'll meet you at Alabama, guys. We decided in Alabama. Sing. We're almost there. We need one more. Go watch my other beach video. It's really cool. My traveling video. This video is gonna be called Drive to the Beach. Road to the Beach. It's gonna be called Road to the Beach. Okay, guys, I'll see you not Atlanta. Oh.
No. At the beach.
At Florida. Oh, guys, we just got in our hotel, our condo, and the water is beautiful. We're about to go down there. I'm not going to be recording. So yeah. Toilet paper for it. Here. Toilet paper for. Ah,
if we move this over here and move the one underneath that to here, we can make
some toilet paper.
Need some toilet paper, Mom? Take some toilet paper.
Wow, see. Okay, guys, that's gonna end the video for today. Day 1 of the beach. Still got a long ways to go. So yeah, I got sunburned at the beach. Really tired, so yeah, I'm gonna take a nap and see you tomorrow. Peace.